know someone blocked you on iPhone? 5 easy ways to figure it out. 1. Got an automated response? Not blocked on iPhone. This first tip for how to know if someone blocked your number is pretty straightforward. If you receive an automated response, like you sometimes do if someone is in Do Not Disturb mode, to a message you send, good news. You're definitely not blocked, because those auto-generated text responses don't go through to numbers that have been blocked on iPhones. If you don't get an obvious automated response, or any response, for that matter, watch for an iMessage not delivered notification. That's your next clue. 2. iPhone message not delivered? How to know if someone blocked you on iMessage. How do you know if someone blocked you on iMessage? Well, you can't block texts on iPhone without also blocking the person's calls, so that's good to know right off the bat. If you're blocked on one, you'll be blocked on the other. You can still try to use iMessage to text the contact in question, but like your phone calls, they'll never receive the message or any notification of a text received. Here's a great tip for how to tell if you've been blocked on iMessage. If an iPhone message is not delivered, as is the case if you're blocked, you won't see delivered below the text bubble. Now, keep in mind that you'll typically only see these delivery notifications on the most recent iMessage in a string of delivered messages, but you won't see delivered on the most current text in a conversation if it wasn't delivered. Look underneath the last text you sent before you suspect you were blocked. If the previous iMessage says delivered under the message bubble but the most recent one doesn't, it can mean that you've been blocked. If you see an iMessage not delivered error instead, that can be another indication as well. If this happens, you may want to try the trick in the next section. 3. iMessage not delivered error and sent as text message notifications. Here's another great method for how to tell if someone blocked your number from texting them. If you're seeing the iMessage not delivered error, try enabling SMS texts on your iPhone. This way, if an iPhone message is not delivered via iMessage, your device will automatically reattempt the text using your cellular plan, or you can manually reattempt with SMS instead of iMessage. If your SMS message also fails to receive a reply or a delivery confirmation, it's another sign that you may have been blocked on an iPhone. To manually resend a text via SMS after an iMessage not delivered error. First step. View the attempted text and tap on the red info icon. Second step. Tap Send as text message. 4. Number blocked on iPhone, or is it Do Not Disturb? So you've tried the methods above, but you're thinking the person could have just temporarily silenced all incoming calls and texts, and that's why they're not getting your communications. In this situation, you need to learn how to tell if someone blocked your number, or if they're just on Do Not Disturb instead. In order to test the difference, I had my friend set her iPhone to Do Not Disturb for one text, and then block me for a second text. When I texted her while she was on Do Not Disturb, I got a delivery notification right away, despite the fact that she didn't receive the text until after she turned off Do Not Disturb. For the blocked iMessage, my text looked like it's sent, but I didn't get any kind of confirmation, it just sat there. Therefore, I must conclude that if someone has Do Not Disturb mode turned on, you'll still receive delivery notifications for your messages, but you will not if you've been blocked. 5. Call on iPhone goes straight to voicemail. Calling someone can be a great way to tell if someone blocked you on the iPhone. However, because there can be other reasons a call you make from your phone rings once and goes straight to voicemail, it's best to combine this step with the iMessage test to be more certain you've been blocked.